Hi there, students. A relic. Okay, a relic is an object that has survived from the distant past, or something that has survived, something of sentimental value that has gone down through the years. So, this stone axe is a relic of ancient times. This mill is the last remaining relic of the town's coal industry. This system, or this way of doing things, is a relic from the old system. This law is a relic from a previous era of British history. Okay, so a relic. This town, this ghost town, is a relic from California's gold rush. Okay, so a relic, something that has survived, an object, a tradition, a system from the past that continues to exist. So it can be a physical object. These bones are the relics of a saint from the Dark Ages. So a relic, a part of a body or part of something that belonged to a holy person, holy relics, and very often cathedrals house the holy relics of various different people. The system of unemployment payments is a relic of the 1960s. Okay, so an object of the past, something that, particularly something that has no modern use, but it's valued because of its meaning or its historical importance. So the ship, the Mary Rose, was a relic from the times of Henry VIII. A relic, part of the clothing or a bone that belonged to a saint, a holy relic. Okay, so a relic, something that survived the passage of time, particularly an object or a custom whose original culture has disappeared. Something that is valued because of its age, because of its historical interest. An object kept for its association with the past, a memento of something long dead, something that is long gone. This custom is a relic of paganism. It's a relic of a long gone past. It's something that reminds us of it. Yes, a relic from the past, a vestige, a memento. Yeah, this is an ancient Egyptian relic. That which remains, that is that which is left after decay, the remaining portion, something old and outdated that you keep maybe for sentimental purposes, or a part of a saint or an ancient religious object that is venerated from the past. So an artifact, a historical ancient object, an antiquity, a person or a thing that has survived from an earlier time but is now outmoded. So, well, as I get older, I start to think perhaps I'm a relic as well. I'm a relic from the past century, something that remains, something that goes on. This law is a relic from the colonial era. The film is like a historical relic. The supermodel has become an embarrassing relic from the early 1990s. It's something venerated because it's associated with a saint or a martyr, or something that survives after decay, a trace of something that comes from the past, a belief or a custom. This is a vestige from our past, a relic of a bygone era, a relic of a past world that no longer exists. Let's see. As to origin, this comes from Latin relinquere, to leave behind, relinquish. Late Latin reliquiae, the remains of a martyr. So a relic, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5, maybe 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. So, relic.